How to mute group forever on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute group notifications forever on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any group you want, like this one, and then click here on group profile and scroll down until you find this one, mute notifications. Click on it and select always and click OK. And as you see, group notifications have been muted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.